This question is on binomial probability. So if we read the question, it says, what is the probability of getting 4 out of 9 questions correct if the probability of an incorrect question is 40%? So the first thing I would need when I read this problem is to make sure that it's binomial. Why is it binomial? Well, that means there's two outcomes. Well, if I look here, it's talking about correct and incorrect questions, and there's only two options. So this is definitely a binomial probability example. So the next thing I need to do is, for my formula for binom PDF, I've got to find the total trials, which is T. I need to find the probability of the success, which is P. And I need to find the number of success that occur, which is S. So looking at my problem, it says 4 out of 9 questions correct. So I know that there's 9 questions total, and there are 4 correct. So 9 would be my T, my total trials. 4 would be my S, which is my the number of success that occur. Then I keep reading it. It says the probability of an incorrect question is 40%. Now you need to be careful here because the question is actually asking you, what is the probability of correct questions? They give you the probability of incorrect. So if we want to find the probability for correct, then we need to actually take the incorrect probability and subtract it from 100%. So we're going to take 100% minus the incorrect of 40, which will give us 60%. Now the 60% is the probability for correct. That is the one that we're going to need for our problem. Okay, so we have all of our information. So we're going to write down our formula, binom PDF. This is what you'll use in the calculator. Okay, your first number in the calculator will be the total trials. There are 9 total questions, so 9 would come first. You're going to type in a comma. Then you're going to put in your probability. Now your probability is got to be in as a decimal. So if it's 60%, I'm going to put in 0.60, or you could just leave it as 0.6 in the calculator. Then you've got comma, and then you're going to do the number of success that occur. There was 4 that occurred, so we have 4. And then I'm going to close my parentheses, calculate that in the calculator. It gives us 0.167 as a decimal. If I change that to a percent, I move it 2 places to the right, and I get 16.7%. And so this is the probability, a binomial probability for 4 out of 9 questions that are correct.